Hello, everyone.
Grandma!
Welcome to our farm.
We are happy to see you.
It is a beautiful day.
I want to play outside. Me too.
Today, we will ride the ponies.
Wow, I am excited. Me too, Grandpa.
The ponies are very gentle.
My pony is beautiful.
Hold on carefully.
Look at my kite. Mine is flying high.
Good job, children. The wind is perfect. This is so much fun.
I love sunny days.
Family time is special.
Hold the fishing rod carefully. Okay, Grandpa.
I will take a picture.
Good idea.
I think I have a fish.
Pull slowly.
Wow, I caught one.
Come with me.
Where are we going?
We will feed the chickens.
Wow, I like chickens.
Be gentle with them.
They are very cute. Look, this chicken is hungry.
Let's collect some eggs.
Okay, Grandpa. I found one.
Good job, Lucy.
I have 2 eggs.
Be careful with them.
They are warm.
Fresh eggs are the best.
Hey, come back! The chicken is running away!
She is very naughty. Catch her gently.
She is too fast. Wait for me! There she is! I found her!
Good eyes, Tom. She is hiding.
Silly chicken! She looks funny.
Move slowly. Don't scare her.
Okay, Grandma.
We caught the chicken.
Hooray! She is safe now.
Good job, everyone.
But it was fun.
She wanted an adventure.
I love this funny chicken.
Our vegetables need water.
I can use the hose. I have a watering can.
Very good, children.
The tomatoes look red, and the flowers are beautiful.
The garden is growing well. Let's pick some vegetables.
These tomatoes are big. I found a carrot.
Excellent, Tom.
The basket is getting full.
We have fresh food tonight. The garden looks beautiful.
There are so many vegetables.
Yes, they are growing well.
I see tomatoes, and I see carrots. Grandpa, look, a little rabbit.
Oh, what a surprise.
It is very cute. Hello, little rabbit. It has long ears.
It likes the carrot garden. Let's be quiet.
It is hopping so fast. The rabbit is funny.
Rabbits love vegetables, especially carrots.
Look at its tiny nose. It is so fluffy. Here is a carrot for you. Will it eat?
Be patient. Move slowly. It is coming closer.
It is eating. Look at all the strawberries.
They are big and red. They are ready to pick.
Let's fill our baskets. The rabbit is following us.
I think it likes strawberries. Maybe it is hungry.
Wow, look at this one. It is huge.
That is the biggest strawberry.
Good job, Tom.
The rabbit likes it too. He looks surprised.
These apples are fresh.
Let's pick some apples. I found a big one. I found 2 apples.
We can make apple pie.
Great. Wow, a big tractor.
Do you want to ride with me?
Yes, please. I want to watch.
Be safe, boys.
This is amazing.
Farming is hard work.
But it is fun.
These are baby goats.
They are so cute.
This goat is funny. They are very friendly.
It likes my hand. I want to feed it.
Go ahead, Tom.
The
The goats are happy. These are our cows.
They are big, and they are friendly.
Yes, they give us milk.
I like the baby cow. It is very cute.
The baby cow likes you too. The baby cow is so soft.
I like her.
She likes you too.
She is very friendly.
Can I brush her?
Of course.
She looks happy.
Today, we will harvest corn.
Wow, there is so much corn.
Can I help, Grandpa?
Of course, Lucy.
Twist and pull gently.
I got one. Me too.
Excellent work, children.
Who is that?
That is our scarecrow.
He looks funny.
He protects the corn.
I like his hat. He needs a smile.
I think he is smiling now.
The cows are hungry.
Let's give them some corn. This baby cow is cute.
Yes, she is very gentle.
Look, the cow likes the corn.
The cows are happy today.
The cows need water too.
I will help you. The baby cow is thirsty.
Yes, she is drinking now.
The cows are very calm.
Animals need food and water.
We must take care of them.
Let's cook dinner together.
I can wash the tomatoes. I will help, Grandma.
Thank you, children.
The vegetables are fresh.
They came from our garden.
Everything smells good. The dough is soft. This is fun.
You are good bakers. Fresh bread smells amazing.
I like helping. Me too.
Let's make lemonade.
I can stir it. I will add ice.
It smells fresh.
I like lemons. Me too.
Now let's taste it.
Delicious.
Lunch is ready. I'm hungry.
Me too.
Everything smells good. Thank you, Mom. Let's eat together.
Thank you.
The weather is wonderful.
Yes, it is peaceful here.
Look at the butterflies. They are beautiful.
Nature is amazing.
I love this place. We love it too.
The fire is warm.
I love campfires. Me too.
Let's roast marshmallows.
Mine is turning golden. Mine smells sweet.
Don't put it too close.
When I was young, a goat chased me.
Really? That's funny. He ran very fast.
Faster than the goat!
Grandpa is funny.
Let's sing together.
I like singing. Me too.
Follow my guitar.
La la la. This song is fun.
You sing very well.
Look at the stars. They are beautiful.
The sky is very clear tonight.
I love peaceful nights.
I saw a shooting star. Make a wish.